Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today is day 2 of my Christmas gift guides, and today I want to share with you more beauty gifts, but they're slightly cheaper today. I was going to add in my kind of like stocking fillers slash Secret Santa gifts, but I'm actually saving those for another video. And so today we're kind of just talking about more affordable beauty gifts, generally around the price of like £10ish to £25, and I actually think there's some really great ideas in this video. Before I get started though, I just wanted to remind you all to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I wanted to point out that it is quite difficult for me to have official prices because I'm filming this one day, I'm uploading the next day. Prices do change quite quickly, especially at the moment as it is Cyber Week and prices are changing loads. But I'm going to link down below my beauty gift guide from yesterday and also my Black Friday video as well, which has loads of deals which are live this week. So I'm actually going to start first with 2 gift sets because they're both on offer and they're both under £25. First is from Soap & Glory. This was initially £42, but it's actually down to £20, which is a £22 saving and better than half price. Inside you get a Bubble in Paradise body wash, a body butter, a breakfast scrub, and then also a hand cream. I honestly think this is a great gift, and I always think that Soap & Glory do great offers around this time of year, and I pretty much always buy someone a gift like this and they always love it because they're just classic products that most people use, so big fan of this. But I do think sometimes Soap & Glory can be a slightly younger brand, so if you are looking for something for someone slightly older, then maybe Sanctuary is a better option, and this is the Sanctuary Signature Showstopper, which is currently £20, and I don't actually know what that's down from, I can't remember. Inside you get a Ultra Rich Moisture Miracle, a body scrub, a salt scrub, a body wash, some Hill Balm, hand cream, nail file, face wash, and then finally a luxury bath float as well. And there's actually some really great full-size products in here. I'll also just briefly stick with Sanctuary because they always just have great gifts. So this is the Sanctuary Hand Duo, which is just £12.50, which is such a bargain, and it just seems like so appropriate for this year. It is a hand cream and a hand lotion, and it comes in like a little tin. Really big fan of this. I would buy this for myself. As with everything else, I think it is in the Boots 3 for 2 as well. And for £15 you can get this Sanctuary Beauty Sleep Journal, which is very sweet. It's a little tin. You get a eye mask, a sleep mist, a sleep recovery mask, and then finally a warming body balm as well, which sounds dreamy. Now, a brand that has previously been quite problematic, so I was a little bit unsure as to whether I should put this in or not, but I think that actually now it isn't owned by the problematic person, so I put this in here anyway. And this is the KVD Makeup Showstopper Cracker. Inside you have a lipstick and a mascara, which is great. It's actually a liquid lipstick. I'm going to try and open it up so I can show you what's inside. Inside you get a nude lipstick and then a Go Big or Go Home mascara as well, and that is actually one of the thickest mascaras I've ever seen. Now, as always, the Body Shop have great sets. I had a Body Shop gift set in my last video, and I'm probably going to have it in my next beauty video, but this set came in the post, and so it has seen better days. But this is actually the Nourishing Body Trio from the Body Shop, which is £15, making these £5 each. Inside you get the Moringa Body Butter. Moringa is one of my favourite scents from them. I don't even know why, it's so not a me scent, but I really like it. Then there's Mango. I mean, I love this too. No, that's pretty good. Maybe I like them all equally. And then there's also Almond Milk and Honey. I think this is a good one too. Yeah, this one's much softer, but still beautiful. I mean, Mango is probably my favourite. But I also really love this little gift set, which is the Drops of Youth Little Gift Box, which is on the pricier side. It's £25, and inside you get Drops of Youth liquid pill. Now, I really like this. It's basically, it's a liquid pill. You like put it on your skin and then it kind of exfoliates your skin. I really like it. It's kind of weird, but it's good. And then there's also 2 youth concentrated sheet masks as well. Quite a good affordable skincare gift set. And then from Patchology, they do these great little like Christmassy gift set. We have Merry and Bright, which is £18, and these are illuminating eye patches. Then there's 2 different like hand and feet ones. You have Best in Snow, which again is £18. These are basically like feet and hand masks, but if you're more into just feet, then you've got Mistletoes. This one is £24, but you get an exfoliating treatment as well as the hydrating mask as well. So so these are great. Now this is from Coco and Eve, and it's in here because it is on offer currently. Currently it is £22.90, down from £32.75, which is actually quite a good little saving. And this is the Oh My Hair kit, and I haven't tried this, but I've heard rave reviews about the Coco and Eve hair mask. Now this is the Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig hair mask. I love fig, so this is definitely something that I'm going to use, because I need a haircut, like desperately. I need a haircut and colour. Like my hair is too long, it gets really limp, it gets like just so crap, but it's a bit dry, so I need to kind of like start putting masks in it. I need a cut basically, but my hairdresser can only squeeze me in on the 20th of December, and I don't know if I just go somewhere else or if I just wait. Like I just don't know. I really haven't decided yet. And then this is the Miracle Hair Elixir, which is kind of like a hair oil, I guess, and this is 58ml. Really excited about this little set, and great for anyone that really loves hair. Now I have two items from Molten Brown, and the first one I almost didn't put in this gift guide because I feel like this is expensive. This is £24 for a bath and shower gel. However, sometimes I think it's really nice to spend a little bit more and buy a typically cheaper product. So for example, typically shower gel isn't wildly expensive, but £24 is quite expensive. So obviously this is a super luxurious shower gel, and I think sometimes it's nice to buy people something that's just super luxe like this. And as I mentioned in my last video, the Juniper Jazz fragrance is beautiful. I really like it, and these little shower gels are just super cute. We always use these, and actually this is a bit off subject, we're currently using the Molten Brown shampoo and conditioner and really enjoying it. But if that is a little bit expensive, and I totally understand if you think it is, then they also have these like ball balls, which are basically exactly the same thing in a far more Christmassy shape, but obviously it is significantly smaller. But this is £14 and this is £24. I wanted to throw in a slightly more niche brand, and this is R&R Luxury. It's actually based in Ghana. They do quite a few different products, but there's this really cute little trio gift set which has a liquid black soap, I think for their face and their body, but honestly I'm not 100% sure. Then there is this Shea body oil, which is kind of maybe not what you're used to when it comes to Shea, because it isn't as like soft, but it's not gritty. Like as soon as you touch it, it melts, and it is beautiful. And I just think it's nice to like support a smaller brand. And then there's also a little lip butter in this little set, really adorable. It smells of lemongrass and it's so good. I love the smell of lemongrass. I think it's up there one of the best scents. Another great product, L'Occitane hand cream. This is quite a large one, and by quite large I mean pretty massive. It's only £20, and again I feel like it's just a lovely luxury gift. If you're looking for a little skincare set, this is £19, and it's the Biossance Let It Glow set, which has a rose oil and a lactic acid night serum, which is really cute. They are on the smaller side, but they even have like a little gifting label on it, which is very sweet. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I'm so conflicted. I want to call it e-cooking, echo, I don't know. I'm sorry, but this is just one of their little sets. Again, slightly niche brand, and it's quite nice I think to support niche brands around Christmas. This is vegan, and inside this little set you get a cleansing scrub, a night cream, and also a day cream, and it's very sweet. They also do nice men's stuff as well. That'll be coming up soon in another gift guide. This I think is really affordable. This is £14, and it's the Mindful Calm massage kit from Botanics. And you get this little like pouch thing, and then you get this, which is like a self massager. You also get a little massage oil which you use whilst you're using this, and it's just a beautiful gift, especially this year when some of us have a little bit more time on our hands. This little bauble is from Slip. Slip is a brand I really rate highly. I love it. I actually don't think I've got any Slip hairbands at the moment because I basically lose every hairband I've ever owned. Now these are expensive. I'm not going to pretend that like they're not. They're £25 for, oh, I can't open it. How many hairbands? I think for 4 hairbands. So obviously that's not cheap. That works out at £5 a hairband, but they are silk, they are soft, they are better for your hair. They are a really lovely luxury gift. If you wanted, you could even buy these and kind of like separate them out with your friends. If you're looking to like make a bundle for each of them, I think one of these is a really lovely addition. I mean, I wish I could open this and show you. I don't think I'm gonna open this. One of them has a like leopard print pattern, and then you have a black, a nude, and then like a purple. These are very cute. I don't think you'll be able to see that though. And then kind of similar to the last Botanic set we just saw, this is a £12.50 one, and inside you get a daily face oil and then the tiniest little mini roller I've ever seen. That is very, very sweet. And actually I think this is a really nice one if you kind of want to roll a little bit closer to your eyes. A great like cooling device. If any of your friends or family are into nails, then Jessica have loads of like really cute little nail sets. They're not too expensive actually, they're quite reasonable. I think this one for example is £10, and inside you get a base coat, a nail colour, and then a top coat I believe. So these are really sweet, and they come in boxes, which I feel like is quite rare with nail colour. Like it's very easy to just buy a nail polish, but if you want something that's very giftable, then I think this is a great option. Another option from the KVD brand is also their vegan beloved bestsellers, which is 2 eyeliners, a mini mascara, and a lipstick. I'm actually personally going to keep this because I really need a new eyeliner, so this is perfect. It is a full-size lipstick, a full-size pencil liner, a mini mascara, and then a mini eyeliner. This is actually only £15, which I actually think is very reasonable and a great price for all 4 products. Another brand I recommend pretty much every single year is Paul & Joe. I just think their packaging is the sweetest. I really like it. They are typically a little bit more expensive, so if you are looking to get an affordable gift from Paul & Joe, you're probably looking more at singular products, but they're just so beautiful that I think that's absolutely fine. There's like a little cat on the end of this. I don't think I'll be able to show you, even if I zoom into my camera. I'm not sure it can handle that. This camera has seen better days. There's a little blue cat on the end of this one. These are £24, so like I said, they're not cheap, but not wildly expensive for a high-end lipstick. But lip balm is always a little bit more affordable, and this one is £14, and it has equally cute packaging. For hair products, Percy and Reed have little gift sets which are £10, and actually I think these look really nice, and probably they look more expensive than £10. They just each have 2 quite good sized minis inside, actually better than I expected. This is the mini Bodybuilders. I'm keeping these. I actually do really rate the Percy and Reed range quite highly. All 4 of these products I would happily use regularly. Why can't I slide this one out? And then this one has a Wonder Balm, which I love, and then their hairspray as well, which is a nice hairspray, so a really usable gift as well. My favourite eyelash curler and tweezers are undoubtedly Tweezerman. This is a set for £24. I actually think that's a really good deal because these are the best tweezers, and I'm pretty sure these are the best eyelash curlers as well. These are navy, which is a little unusual. I've seen their tweezers come in all kind of colours, but my eyelash curler from them is actually silver, so it's quite nice to have a blue one instead. And actually, even if someone already has a pair of tweezers or a pair of eyelash curlers, this will change their life if they haven't got a good pair, because these are both great. I recommend them to everyone. Really love them. Lizelle, another brand I recommend every single year. This is their hot cloth cleanser. This is a little set that has the hot cloth cleanser and then some muslin cloths. And actually this is way more affordable than I expected. I'm just going to quickly check the price. This is only £15, which I think is great and a really affordable gift for any age group. For anyone that likes skincare or anyone that just wears makeup, I think this is great. A bit of a different one. This is from Tatty Lashes. This is their 'Tis the Season to Be Tatty eyelashes. There's 4 lashes. There's a mirror at the top, and these retail for £25. They're really beautiful lashes, but they are quite full, so these are definitely for someone that likes lashes. They're not just for someone that's just starting out or isn't really familiar with fake lashes. I have 2 fake tan brands, and they're both face, because honestly, like, face products are just that little bit cheaper when it comes to fake tan. I think fake tan is a great gift because not everyone wants to fake tan their body, but I think you can add just a few hints of fake tan to your moisturiser and kind of make your face one shade darker and just add a beautiful glow without looking like you have done that. So I think these are great gifts, and I've actually already been thinking over the last couple of weeks that that's something I wanted to gift some of my friends. I've got 2 options. There is the Madame Lala Tan, and this is their face bronzing serum, and this is £22.50, and then this is usually £30, but it's currently down to £20. This is the Vita Liberata self tanning anti-age serum. Really excited. I haven't tried either, but I'm gonna be completely honest, I haven't tried a bad face fake tan serum, so I think you're kind of in safe hands with either. But obviously that you should probably start a little bit lighter because it's not something you can remove, so it's always best to go lighter one day and then kind of darken it the next if you need to. Another kind of Pamperique product is from This Works. This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, which sounds like a dream, and this is £19, so like it's not the cheapest for one singular product, but I think it's just a nice luxury gift, and I think this is a nice price point to buy small luxury gifts with. Sticking with small luxury gifts, that's kind of all I've really got left now. But this is Trish McAvoy 24-hour eyeshadow and liner. Just a really lovely brand. They also have a mascara and just generally a great gifting brand. It is on the pricier side, so I think it's just a nice brand to gift. A brand which isn't too expensive, actually I think it's quite affordable, is Honest Beauty. However, it's a new brand, so I wanted to put it in here. They have these liquid lipsticks which are £16 each. There's 8 different shades. I'm really excited to try these. I might give these a go in my next video. These are just really great, even if you just want to buy one and put it together with something else, or just a singular gift. I still think that's very nice. And I think the reason I went for Honest Beauty is because it is a newer brand, still quite an exciting brand for people to try. Sometimes with other brands, people may already have the product, but more than anything, I just think it's a really great quality brand. So if they're just liquid lipsticks, this is actually a really lovely shade. This is Off Duty, but you have reds, you have nudes, you have loads of colours. But a brand that I've been loving for a few years now is Fenty by Rihanna. This is their Two Little Stunners Mini Longwear Fluid Lip Duo. I think this is beautiful. I'm actually going to open this. I'm going to keep this, so I'm going to open it. These are minis, but I think they're great because I'm probably not going to finish a whole liquid lipstick, so fine with a mini. I hope I don't already have this, and I feel like I might. These are £22, so obviously they're not like the cheapest minis ever, but you're still getting 2 colours. That's £11 each, and I think you have a fair amount of product in there. That red, so pigmented and definitely packs a punch, so very excited about that. The red is unmatched. And actually you could even buy just this by itself if you want to buy some on the full size. This video is only really to kind of give you a few ideas that you can bounce off. Cleanser, this is the Philosophy Purity Cleanser, a great cleanser, and it's quite a big one, so I feel like it looks like quite a substantial skincare gift. And then a little bit different, this is Skin and Tonic. There's a cleansing balm and like a calming balm. The cleansing balm is £22, but then the calm balm is £12.50, and these are great for anyone that loves to try new skincare brands. I haven't actually used this one before, so I'm really looking forward to doing so. And the balm cleanser in particular looks beautiful. It even comes with like a little muslin cloth, and to be honest, I love pretty much every balm cleanser I try. I am like a balm cleanser stan. Like, I love balm cleansers. But that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what items caught your eye, what items you think you might be buying for your friends and family, and what you're going to be adding to your own Christmas wish list. Stay tuned, as tomorrow I'll be uploading another gift guide. I'm actually not sure what I'm going to be uploading tomorrow, so if you have any requests, I'm going to either do men's, women's, or maybe a stocking filler video tomorrow. So let me know what you'd like to see, because I haven't actually filmed that yet. I'm going to film and upload in one day, which is always very tough but doable, and that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So let me know what you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.